Hello guys, back to my channel Shankar Sarsi Spoken English channel. Within this channel, I'd like to start my speaking for my audience and the listeners. Those are also listening around the globe: India, Sri Lanka, Japan, Indonesia, Dubai, Bangladesh, as well as 53 countries. Those are also joined to my channel. I also show respect with them. I'd like to start my speaking today about the natural sights on a cloudy sky and the gloomy moment. Okay, I'd like to say it about this. On a rainy day, the sky is darkened and wrapped in heavy clouds, casting a pall of grey over the landscape. The air feels damp and cool, with a gentle mist hanging in the atmosphere. The usual vibrant color of nature appeared muted, shimmering with raindrops like jewels. Birds seek shelter, their songs replaced by the soft patter of water hitting leaves. It looks nice. And rooftops. Despite the gloominess, there is a scenery beauty in the sub subdued light and the peacefulness that envelopes everything. It's a day that invites introspection as nature seems to pass and contemplate under the veil of rain. Yeah, that's a comforting measures and assurance that this too shall pass, leaving behind refreshed earth and reviewed spirits. Oh fine, oh God. The natural sights looks me very wonder. Here I can also enjoy the greenery fields, the sugar cans. It looks like very nice. Sometimes the fox bark at night. Before evening, the foxes pass through the jungle. The sound of rain again started to the view of our lovely nature. It is the attachment of love and the romanticism. Okay, it looks nice from my native. I'd like to share my feelings and joys to my audience and viewers. Okay, it's okay, my dear viewers. Wish you to the next video.